6'9", 260, 7% body fat. That's the man that I coached. Night in and night out, I could depend on him.
Grant goes bottoms up. Grant rebound and slam. You gotta love it.
Being a 12-year veteran in the NBA, always relying on your body, always relying on your image. Once I was diagnosed, I went from being a confident individual to stripping away all the confidence, all the vanity. And now I'm on the way back, building myself up.
The Brian Grant Foundation has been a real lifesaver for me, got me involved. The support group, the people involved, and Brian himself, he leads by example. And he's a good mentor, as are the rest of the board and the other members that I've met in the group.
Being involved in the Brian Grant Foundation has enabled me to turn it around the other way and focus on the community.
If you live your life as hard as you can, which you have to do now because you don't have the luxury of time on your side anymore, you look for ways to meet these kinds of people, and the Brian Grant Foundation has provided that opportunity.
I think the Brian Grant Foundation is a great resource for people with young Parkinson's such as myself, simply because on a nationwide level there's lots out there for the general population with Parkinson's, but Brian Grant Foundation leads something for the younger group that's still active and healthy and local.
Exercise and nutrition have always been something that's been important to me, but it's even more important now because I've actually been able to see the difference once I turned it around and started to exercise, to eat healthier. I could see a significant change in my symptoms.
The Brian Grant Foundation is affecting the lives of people in a positive way. It's giving people a place to go. They've learned that they're not alone, and they have other people around them that are going through the same experiences.
Right here, the next person.
The mission of Brian Grant's Foundation is to make sure that people have access to the information. There's going to be classes that they can attend. There's going to be access on the web and the exercise sessions that they need to live a full functioning life.
We are excited about programming and what the Brian Grant Foundation is developing at this time. This year we plan to bring exercise and nutrition. We want to bring managing relationships and managing your healthcare team programs to those who desperately need the resources to live their best quality life.
We really value our relationships with Parkinson's Resources of Oregon, and we also value our new partnerships that are just starting up with the YMCA. That's going to really help us launch our exercise programs.
I see our partnership with the Brian Grant Foundation as a beginning in establishing programming and services for those who are suffering from Parkinson's, a program that can be used in our YMCA and across the nation. And we would like to build a community for those so that they do not feel isolated.
The future of the Brian Grant Foundation is limitless, providing the kind of support for exercise, for diet, but also bringing together scientists and researchers, working cooperatively with others, providing seminars and symposiums. The website that really is in the process of being developed will be a rich resource for anyone wanting to know more information about early onset Parkinson's